Good afternoon, students. Let us start a new chapter, that is money and credit, the chapter third of your class. What is money? The use of money spans a large part of our everyday life. In transaction, goods are being bought and sold with use of money. Money acts as an intermediate in the exchange process. It is also called a medium of exchange. Money has become the currency of exchange. Before introduction of money, people would barter system to obtain the goods and services they want. Double coincidence of wants. If you have wheat but need fruit, you must find someone who not only has fruit but also the desire for wheat. Means both of you should be agree for transacting, for exchanging your goods. What if you find someone who has the need for wheat but no fruit and can only offer you flowers and banana? So, to get your wheat, he or she must find someone who has fruit and wants flower. So, both of your wants, desire should match for each other needs. Barter system. It is a system in which goods are exchanged for other goods. Means that time the money was not introduced and the people were exchanging their goods with the exchange of goods. Even today, in some of the part of society of the world, can be seen the goods are exchanged with the exchange of goods only. Limitation of barter system. So lack of double coincidence of wants. In this, it is very difficult to find that where and who is the person with whom your desire is matching. Difficulty of storing value. Difficulty of storing value. So it is very difficult to store the goods which you need to exchange in future. So there was a storage problem. And when we store the good, some of goods quality reduces with the passage of time. And if the quality reduces, the value of that good also decrease. So in future it is not obvious, means sure that for the exchange of that particular good, how much other goods will be obtained. So this was a difficulty. Deferred payments are difficult. If both of the goods are not matching for the values or there was no certain value measurement
उनके
tool,
पास जहाँ सब करें हम लेके आएंगे वो लगा हुआ है।
deferred payments are difficult. Means when the values of different goods are not matching, that time people face difficulty that for the exchange of one good, how much and how many goods can be exchanged of other. Some goods are invisible, sorry, indivisible. Means sometime for exchange of a smaller good, we are trying to that person who is having a larger good, or you have a larger good in shape, size, or of value, and you are going to exchange with the lower valued goods or smaller good. So how to divide it? How much part should you give? Some goods are not divisible also, like cattle, building, etc. Old form of money. Here are some figures. You can see that in ancient time how the different goods, coins of different metal or rock part were used. Modern form of money you can see here as a paper currency. Nowadays smart cards are there, credit cards are there, ATM, debit and credit cards. Deposit with bank. The other form in which people hold money is as deposit with bank. At a point of time, people need only some currency for their day to day needs. Banks accept the deposits and also pay an interest rate on the deposits. Since the deposit in the bank account can be withdrawn on demand, so these deposits are called demand deposits. Means whatever money you are having in your demand deposit account, you are free to take it for use from the bank anytime. A check is a paper instructing the bank issued by the bank only to pay a specific amount from the person's account to person in whose name check has made. The modern form of money or the currency and deposits are closely linked to working of the modern banking system, like nowadays e-banking systems is there, core banking system is there, that all the banks of our country, even in the world, most of the banks are interlinked, and without use of money we can transact our money from one bank to another bank, from one person to another person. So this is the benefit of core banking or e-banking. Check payments. Here example of check payment you can see ki how the name of the person to whom the money is to be given is written, sample payee company, how much amount is there, 46,450, here given dollars and 50 cents only. Then afterward downside you see here the account number is written, the amount is written here. Loan activities of banks. You know that banks whatever deposit accept and provide interest on that deposit to the depositors. Depositors and borrowers are taking these money as a loan but on higher interest, and whatever the difference between these two interest, the interest paid to the depositors and interest asked from the borrower, that difference is the earning of that bank, and on the basis of that earning only the bank provide salaries to their employees. Terms of credit. Whenever we are going to take loan from a bank, we are given different terms of credit. Okay, that without these we cannot get loan from the bank. So here, collateral, documentation required. Collateral is the security, any valuable goods can be there. Terms of loan, mode of repayment, and rate of interest. So if we think about these collateral security, collateral is that valuable property, livestock, ornaments, etc. Anything can be there which is having a value. Documentation required means whenever the borrower is asking loan from the bank, he has to fulfill some documentation as a proof of borrowing money, as a proof of his earning status. Terms of the loan. The terms of the loan is that time period, for how much time period he is borrowing the money. That money can be borrowed for 10 years, 20 years, up to his retirement age, which is in our country 60 years. So, how long retirement timing is there, that much relaxation can be given to have a longer terms. Mode of repayment. Mode of repayment can be that in what way you are going to repay the loan amount, monthly, yearly, and what can be the, generally it is asked monthly, so that the borrower should not feel a burden as a whole at once in a year. So monthly repayment required, so that is calculated as EMI, equated monthly installment. Per month, how much money you will repay, that will be the mode of repayment. Rate of interest. So that rate of interest is fixed by the bank, कि how much rate of interest will be charged on the borrower. It is generally on the basis of the rate of interest borrowed by the bank sometime uh, from the RBI, and for competition also they can have some difference variations from one bank to another bank, so that they can attract their borrowers. So this is all about here the terms of credit. Now Reserve Bank of India, you know that Reserve Bank of India is the bank of bank. Bank of banks means it is the topmost level bank in our country, which is having authority to issue currency, to control all the banks, to maintain rules and regulations in different banks all over the country, to control the interest rate in different bank charged by the charge on the borrower and given to the depositors. So all the rules and regulations are made by the RBI, and periodically the bank officials supervise the commercial banks other than RBI, whatever banks are there in the country, that are supervised by the RBI officials periodically, time to time in the year. So thank you, students. We'll meet again for the next